You might be waiting to feel motivated right now, waiting for energy, for confidence, for the right mindset. You don't need to feel ready. You don't need to feel inspired. Staying with this session will help you reconnect to consistency, the kind that carries you forward even when motivation fades. If you've been waiting for the feeling to come back, this is where you reset with Mindfulete. Find a comfortable position. Let your body settle. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Motivation comes and goes. Some days it's there. Some days it disappears completely. That's not a flaw. That's human. If you only move when motivation shows up, you give your progress to chance. Consistency doesn't wait for the perfect feeling. It moves anyway. Bring your attention to your breath. Inhale slow. Exhale fully. Let the breath remind you. You can act calmly even when you don't feel driven. Consistency is not pressure. It's self-respect. It's choosing to show up because you said you would. Not perfectly, not intensely, just honestly. You don't need big effort today. You need steady effort. Take another slow breath in. And let it out. Consistency lives in small actions done repeatedly. It doesn't shout. It doesn't rush. It simply continues. There will be days when you feel flat. Gaze when motivation doesn't show up at all. That's not a signal to stop. It's a signal to simplify. Lower the bar. Do the smallest version of what matters. Consistency doesn't ask for intensity. It asks for presence. One breath, one action, one step forward. That's how momentum quietly rebuilds. You don't always feel progress while it's happening. But consistency compounds. It builds confidence without asking permission. Right now, you don't need to decide the whole future. You only need to return to what you already know matters. Feel your body sitting here. Steady, grounded, this is the energy consistency comes from. Begin to notice the space around you. The room, the air. Your body ready to move forward calmly. Take one last breath in. And a slow breath out. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Say quietly to yourself, I don't wait for motivation. I show up with consistency. If this helped you reset your focus, you can like the video and subscribe to Mindfulete for more calm, performance-supportive sessions.